Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now just go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then inside the Chrome browser, just click on the three dot icon. From here, just go to settings. From settings, from the left hand menu, you want to go to privacy and security. And from here, you want to go to third-party cookies. Now in here, you'll find different options. One will be allow third-party cookies. Another one will be block third-party cookies in incognito mode. And the last one will be block third-party cookies. Now, if it's set to the last one, you can either choose this one or this one. And this will make sure your cookies are enabled in Google Chrome. Now, what if you don't see the cookies option? What to do then? Then just go here on the left-hand menu and click on About Chrome. And in here, make sure you have updated your Chrome browser. Then just go ahead and go to privacy and security again, and you'll find your cookies option again here. And that's basically it. And that is how to enable cookies on Google Chrome in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.